So here is the bamboo base. This is house number 1, which is the woman's dorm. So what do you got there, Mr. James? This is for Kelly from Do Good Ministry.
I have, for the low price, if your bid is high enough, a beautiful new freezer slash fridge.
Yay! Where are we gonna use it? When are we gonna use it first?
We're going to use it for a big birthday party for...
Birthday party, James.
Christmas party. Well, it's Jesus' birthday.
Oh yeah, it's true.
Jesus' birthday party with a lot of... We're going to have this base loaded full of kids. And we're going to have snacks and ice cream for them. And it's all thanks to...
Do Good Ministry.
And our new fridge.
Thank you.